Here's our 4 compounds with their bone structure. And we need to determine which, between the first 2 and the last 2, which of these 2 is more acidic and which of these 2 is more acidic. So we can determine this by looking at the stability of the conjugate base. So if we deprotonate all these, let's draw the conjugate base. Well, there's one of the triple bond. And if we go ahead and just draw all of these, removing the hydrogens there, I suppose there's also a hydrogen on this carbon that is still left. It's implied that it's still there, but if you were just confused by how I drew that, there is still a hydrogen. So in the previous chapter, we talked about size of orbitals and that s orbitals are quite a bit smaller than p orbitals. And we all